This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Ford Explorer. This SUV has a 5-speed automatic transmission, a 4.0-liter V6, and the added safety and control of 4-wheel drive. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, Bluetooth cell phone integration, third-row seats, heated seats, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: traction control and stability control systems, air conditioning, cruise control, leather seats, a 4-wheel independent suspension, front fog lights, roof rails, dusk sensing headlights, an auto-dimming rear view mirror, and this vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned Certification, a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Ken Grody Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 6211 Beach Boulevard in Buena Park.